Hi, my name is Amit Ginni Patpatia. I have different roles as of today. I'm a freelancer of artist and producer and creative director as of this video recording. I also am head designer over astronomical games. I also run a Nexus eSport bar with the founders. And I also do lighting artists over at the indie studio, Bloody Mary it's called Pizza. So now I'm gonna explain to you what you will be learning. In the next 10 hours you will be learning about 3-point lighting, how light works, why it works the way it works, how bound lights work, how rim light works, what is highlights, what is core shadow. You'll be learning about gradient, value. We'll be learning about the theory behind it, so you really can understand and analyze images and references to really figure out how you should be lighting your scene. It is part of the first chapter. And then part of the second chapter is color theory, so you will be learning about color theory, color palettes, what color works together well, how they do it in the cinematic, in movies. You'll be learning about how color affects your character, so you will be lighting up a 3-point character lighting or more, and you'll be understanding the limitations and how far you can push color and 3-point lighting. Then you'll be learning about different types of light, what they do, how they work, the function. You'll be learning about a bit more other features such as IES lighting, how that relates to real life. You'll be using that in conjunction with understanding temperature, Kelvin temperature, how that relates to color, and the combination of all this theory you'll be figuring out and learning inside Unreal Editor or Unreal Engine as it's really called. And of course you will be doing real-time lighting, also known as movement type of lighting, and then we will be digging a bit deeper into performance tools, analyzing how to optimize your lighting and minimizing the frame rate and or increasing the frame rate and basically optimizing it as best as you can. So the performance tools is something we'll be introduced to. Of course, all of the things you're learning here really deserve their own dedication and chapter, but you will be introduced a little bit in every part of lighting. And of course, by the time you're done, you will have been able to utilize different type of lighting, color, tone. You'll be learning about camera composition, placing your camera, depth of field, how you can use this combination to present your work. You'll be learning about post-processing volume, how to use it in a different way, how you can blend it together from different rooms to really present your work. And of course, you'll be learning, for example, in this scene, you will be learning static lighting is basically meant to bake the lighting. So, good luck.
学习过程中还有疑问，可以立即加入正版课程的学习交流群，讲师实时在线答疑，与精英学员互相学习。还可以登录YIIHOO网搜索课程 ID 号，获取完整学习课件、工程文件等资料。扫一扫，任何问题小美狐都能帮助你啦。